My name is Bruno Cugini. I am the QC manager at Stage Windows. I've been here for 5 years now, since pretty much inception. I also have many years of experience in the building trades. I am a carpenter by trade. I've owned my own construction company for a few years as well, and lots of experience in the manufacturing industry and anything to do with the window industry itself. Lots and lots of experience with that. And as a QC manager, I am involved with the day-to-day quality control of our product in the company and what's being produced, from manufacturing of the glass to the PVC frames to the assembly, right down to the shipping of the product in the warehouse. This company is a unique place to work at because we're very customer oriented. We want to deliver a good product to our customers, and we strive to provide a quality product to our customers. Easy to install, easy to operate. The end user, the customer, is extremely happy with the product. That's really important to us, and it's something we always strive for. Core values for the company, number one is customer service. Anytime an issue comes up, it's dealt with immediately. We don't want things to linger. We want to take care of them. Also, employee satisfaction. We want to make sure the employees that are here are well taken care of, respected, and that basically translates into a company that has long-lasting employees that they stick around for the long term. And when you have that long-term commitment, you actually do end up putting out a better product. We do have a health and safety committee. They meet weekly, and they go over any issues that come up. Anything to do with eye wash stations and just the safety of the people, the equipment that's being used, the forklifts, the reach trucks, where the materials are stored, the racking system. We are a company that provides a full spectrum of product to our customers, ranging from windows, entry doors, and patio doors. When it comes to windows, again, we provide pretty much every model and type of window that's available, from a casement window to an awning window, fixed, horizontal sliders, vertical sliders. Entry doors, we offer steel doors, fiberglass doors, single door, double doors, doors with transoms, side lights. Again, just the full gamut of whatever product is required by a customer to complete a job, we provide that. And our patio doors, same thing. Anything that the customer needs, we pretty much customize anything, and we'll provide it. Our product is government regulated, it's government certified. Energy Star, IGMAC, all those organizations. And so all of our product has been tested and passed, and is good right across Canada. There's no issues with quality or ratings. It will pass pretty much every government rating that's required in all the provinces of Canada. So a lot of companies, a lot of window manufacturers actually order the glass or sealed units manufactured at another location of the company, and they're delivered to the factory. We, on the other hand, are a company that manufactures our own sealed units. We order the glass panes from one of the largest manufacturers in the world, and the product gets delivered to us. We cut, we assemble, we seal, and we fill with argon gas. So we pretty much make everything in-house. We don't order anything out. And what it also does for us is it gives us more control over quality. Having CNC machinery in the company ensures that the product is made to a standard that can be carried over or carried through day to day, line to line, item to item, and the quality is always the same. It's always standardized. So here at Stage, we have a ordering system, a computer program, for lack of a better word, or an ERP. What it does is it allows the company that's ordering the product to enter all the details of the window. It has to pass an initial quality of entry to meet those standards. And once that's done, it basically carries all the information and goes to the floor. And it's all translated to our CNC equipment. Again, there's no loss of information, there's no loss of detail. The way the window's ordered is the way it's manufactured. And that, again, that's a guarantee that we can give our customers.